This drone is very quick. It is a lot of fun. As you guys can see here, it is actually very windy out today, but we've been flying for many drones for many years. If you do want to fly in windier conditions, fly it lower. The lower to the ground you are, the better. Today we're taking a look at the DEERC D23 remote control drone, rated for ages 14 and older. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys everything that you get in the package. Alright guys, some accessories. They give you a screwdriver and extra fan blades, your manual. The charger is a dual charger. You just plug this into any USB port and you can charge your batteries. Here is the remote control, the controller. Pause the video if you guys need to see all the things. If you guys lose your piece of paper here, we're blocking this out just because of the algorithm. Very nice, quick response Joy-Cons. You can make flips, change your settings. On and off is right here. Place the batteries inside here. Let's go ahead and see what kind of batteries you guys are going to need. All right. Looks like it takes 3 AAA batteries for the controller. All right, they give you 2 batteries, as you guys can see right here. We're going to go ahead and charge them up a while. This is the drone itself. As you can see, the propellers are surrounded by plastic, which helps protect them, which is kind of nice because if you're flying indoor or outdoor, you can kind of bounce off different things without damaging the blades. It is very lightweight. Very nice. Okay, let's show you guys the nice thing that protects the blades. So if we go ahead and we bump something like this, as you can see, we can hit it and it just kind of bounces back. It might fly, turn in the direction of the drone, but it protects the blade. You got some lighting modes that you can change by pressing the lighting button. You can turn them off, so it's nice for flying at nighttime. And to lift off, you just press this button. Speed mode is here, so you can change your speeds. You got your flip right here, which is pretty cool, on and off. So yeah. Of course, the more windy it is outside, the more likely chance you're going to lose the drone or it's going to be taken away. So just be careful flying when it's windy. This drone is very quick. It is a lot of fun. As you guys can see here, it is actually very windy out today, but we've been flying for many drones for many years. If you do want to fly in windier conditions, fly it lower. The lower to the ground you are, the better, by personal experience. But it's a lot of fun. So yeah, it's a fun drone. As you can see, the wind is actually pulling it pretty hard, so we're gonna go ahead and land it.